Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ami here again. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time or you're just seeing this place for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever I post a new video. So today I want to be talking about the use of tretinoin. Yes, tretinoin is a topical retinoid and it is available in different percentage. We have 0.025, we have 0.05, and the 0.01%. And it's used in treatment for acne, fine lines, wrinkle, skin discoloration, and rough skin texture. It also works for stretch marks too, and it does improve collagen production. It increases cell turnover. It helps to unclog pores. If you want to start retinoid or add tretinoin to your routine, start with a lower concentration. You use it at night, and you will be needing a lot of moisturizer. You have to be a lot patient and consistent, and you also have to follow the instruction. Yes, when you are using tretinoin, you don't overuse it. You don't use it during the day, and you don't combine it with other ash products. Yes, also you don't use tretinoin on a sensitive area, and when using tretinoin, don't expect overnight results. Yes, because tretinoin is a long-term use treatment. Yeah, and the possible side effects you'll be seeing will be redness, irritation, dryness, itching, and also it increases sensitivity to the sun. And it is not advisable a pregnant or a breastfeeding woman use tretinoin. Yes, it may affect the baby or the fetus. Yeah, and also a person with skin condition of eczema or rosacea should stay away from tretinoin. Tretinoin can also be effective for various skin concerns, but use it responsibly and follow the guidelines. Consult a doctor or dermatologist before starting your products. And if you want to use tretinoin with what is it called, stretch mark, if you want to use it for stretch mark, you combine it with moisturizing products. You combine it with exfoliants, or you combine it with laser therapy to enhance the results. And remember to start with the lower percentage of tretinoin. Yeah, if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.